Today, we will talk about how to organize your desk at work. Let's have a look at the details. As the saying goes, a cluttered desk is a sign of a cluttered mind. Keeping your workspace clean and organized can have a huge effect on your productivity, concentration, and ability to find everything you need. You might be surprised how much more efficiently you'll be able to work after cleaning out a junked-up desk. All you need is a little bit of time, the discipline to throw away unneeded items, and a system for making sure everything is in its proper place. The first step is clearing your desk. Start from scratch. Reorganizing will be easiest if you start with a blank desk. Clear everything off the top. Remove items from the drawers. Keep everything together on a separate table or the floor so you can go through it later. Once the initial clutter is out of the way, you'll be able to assess exactly how you want your desk to look. Clean your desk inside and out. Take advantage of your desk being clear, and use the opportunity to give it a good cleaning. Dust and wipe your desktop down with a multi-surface cleaner. Treat lingering stains and polish away scratches on wooden desks. Your desk will look brand new when you're finished. Throw away old and unnecessary items. Take the junk you removed from your desk and divide everything into two piles. One for things to throw away, and another for things you intend to keep. Update your space. Take a look around your desk for anything that's no longer current. This can include outdated calendars, answered and unanswered mail, and even old photos. Find fresh replacements for these objects. The second step is reordering your desk. Change up your desk's configuration. Now that it's time to start putting things back on your desk, don't just stick everything back where it was. Think of new ways you could reorder your desk to take advantage of the space you have. Stock up on new supplies. Running low on paper, ink, pens, or staples. Visit an office supply store and pick up some materials to replenish your desk. Take a list with you so you won't forget the basics or use your phone for the list. Arrange items sensibly. Once you have an idea of how you want your new desk layout to look, position your belongings in a way that will maximize productivity while eliminating potential clutter. Add some flair. A clean, organized desk is the goal, but that doesn't mean it has to be dull. Add a few decorative touches to your desk to give it a little personality. A couple of framed pictures, a small statue, or a humorous coffee mug can liven up your space and make it feel more like home. And the third step is promoting efficiency. Keep your most essential items close at hand. If you find yourself reaching for certain things a lot, make sure they're accessible. Give some thought to how frequently you reach for certain items on your desk and arrange them in order of importance. Put frequently used items in easy-to-reach drawers. Non-essential supplies that see a lot of use can go in drawers, so that you can take them out as they're needed. Reserve the top drawers of your desk for larger items and things that you use often, but don't necessarily need to keep out on the desktop. Store unused clutter out of the way. Anything you decide to keep but don't need on hand at your desk should be stored elsewhere, so that it doesn't accumulate and turn into a mess. Use a letter tray to keep up with paperwork. To facilitate sorting paper documents, invest in a letter tray. These are shallow, multi-tiered containers that allow you to designate each level for incoming and outgoing paperwork, as well as answered and unanswered mail. Get your shared work area under control. Some people might have to make use of a communal desk or partition cubicle while at the office, or your desk may just be close to others, leaving you with a limited amount of room. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.